How to add or remove a keyboard language on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down, and in here, tap on general management. So tap on general management. Then we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, tap on languages and types, and then tap on manage input languages. Now from the list here, scroll down and select a language that you would like to add to your keyboard. So say I'm going to go all the way down. You can also use the search button as well if you can't find the language that you are looking for. So here I can put in Dingvik, Vietnamese, and then tap on the toggle button to switch it on. If there is an update button, tap on the update button so that it can download the latest data file. And here it is now attempting to download the language input keyboard. And that's it. So it says failed to download. If that happens, you may want to check your internet connections. Make sure you have the internet connections. So here I'll double check to make sure my internet is working fine. So it is working fine. I'll go back to my settings, and here the language has been added, but we want to double check to make sure it is installed and updated. So now it does not show the update button anymore. So I assume it has successfully updated on the background. And here we have now added the selected language to the input. So when you open up the keyboard, you should see, yes, when the keyboard comes up, if you tap on the globe icon at the bottom, here you can see you can switch between the two available languages. And that is how you can add it. If you want to remove it, you can go back into the languages and types. And in here, tap on Manage Input Languages and simply tap on the toggle button to turn it off to remove your language input. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.